PEC Education is one of the leading PTE test training providers in Dhaka, Bangladesh. PEC Education started its journey in 2016 with providing one-stop PTE academic supports and services. There are several PTE courses that PEC offers both online and on campus to its students. All of the PTE courses includes PTE study materials and free PTE mock tests. Please call for detailed information PTE course preparation and services to 01713167969 or visit the website www.pecpte.com.
This bar graph represents the percentage of household with the access to the Internet in UK from the year 2006 to the year 2009. It can be seen that the percentage of Internet access increased gradually. In 2006, almost 60% household had access to the Internet. In 2007 it was a little over 60%, and in 2008, it increased a little to almost 65%, but in 2009 it drastically increased to almost 80%. To conclude, Internet usage is increasing as time goes by.
This pie chart shows the different ways people were choosing to live, as in whether they were homeowners, social renting, private renting or social housing in the years 1991 and 2007. In 1991 there were 22 million homes, and in 2007 there were 27 million homes. It can be observed that in 2007 more people were homeowners, since most prefer that, therefore, social renting decreased compared to the year 1991. Also, from 1991 to 2007 the amount of people who chose to go for social housing decreased a lot. The number of people who are renting their house privately are similar for both years.
This is animated photo of people enjoying their time at the beach on a sunny day. It can be seen that a young boy and a young girl are busy building a sand castle. 3 children on the right are playing volleyball, and they are 2 girls and 1 boy. It can also be seen that a father and child is standing along the shoreline, just enjoying the view of the ocean and getting their feet wet. Farther away, a boat with a sail can be observed. Also, few birds are flying by as the sky seems very clear and very blue.
This flowchart illustrates the steel recycling process. Different kind of steel products are collected at first. Then those are sorted by using magnet. Then steel slugging is done followed by grinding. Then it is dropped into the furnace. Then it starts forming and after that a flatter is used on it. Lastly, product is used to make different kinds of materials such cars, cans etc. Then the cycle is repeated by collecting the unwanted materials.
This line graph depicts the number of cases of X disease in Sumland between the years 1983 to 1992. From the year 1983 to 1984 there were 100 cases, then it doubled to 200 cases by 1987. Then it dropped to 100 cases by 1988. Then in 1989 the number increased drastically to 400 cases. From 1989 to 1991 the number of cases slightly decreased, but by the year 1992 the number of cases drastically to 0. So, it can be said that within a decade the X disease disappeared completely or stopped affecting people.